Hey guys, how's it going? How to leverage Perplexity AI for e-commerce research. So, identify the market trends. Ask, what are the current e-commerce trends? And then hit the timeline, right? And your industry. Make sure that you type the industry first, plus timeline. Okay? And then just analyze the consumer behavior, right? Follow up with a question, right? Like, what are the buying habits of Gen Z, right, in 2024? Ask a follow-up question, right? And research competitors, like who are, right, the top competitors in this product, right, or this category. Okay, and ask follow-up question now, what are the trending keywords for e-commerce in this category, right? And then follow-up question again, tech and tools, like what are the best tools for e-commerce site optimization? What are the best tools for e-commerce site optimization, right? And then ask for follow-up question again. Which markets have the highest growth potential for e-commerce? Which markets have the highest growth potential for e-commerce? Okay, and use these insights to refine strategies and make data-driven decisions. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.